Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix error cannot connect to the printer. So how we can fix it? First of all, we need to go to start or to search and just choose control panel. So here you can see control panel, so we just choose it. And in the control panel we need to choose printer and so here you can see devices and printers. We choose it, and so here you can see add the printer. So if you have this error, you just click there here. So now we need to wait some time after it will load. So if you don't connect your printer now, you just click here the printer that I want isn't listed, and you just choose add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. So here you choose port, click next. Here you choose your model of printer. After it you just choose where it is your driver, or you can also if your printer isn't old, it can automatically download your driver and install it. So after you choose it, you just click next. Here you can see replace the current driver or use the drivers that is currently installed. You can also use this driver that is currently installed, or you can also download the latest driver and just install it by clicking here. So after you click next, you will install new printer, and your error must be fixed. So also you can try to restore your printer, or to take off your cable and turn it on, and also you can try to restart computer. So if one of these all methods must work. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.